Welcome back to Autoscope. 2026 Hyundai Motorhome. External, aerodynamic body to reduce wind resistance and improve fuel efficiency. A slimmer style that is less boxy will appear more athletic and polished. The headlights and taillights, which will use full LED technology to give optimal lighting and a strong personality, will include Hyundai's iconic Parametric Pixels design. An automated sliding door on the passenger side will facilitate easy entrance, while large windows will optimize natural light and provide expansive views. A pop-up roof option will be available for families or parties, providing additional sleeping space above. Ample storage will be available under the floor, above the cabin, and in the closet. Interior, there will be an induction cooktop, sink, microwave, and small refrigerator in the kitchen. You can conserve space by using a dining table that slides or folds up. Ergonomic mattresses will be used on the beds for maximum comfort. Larger models could have a permanent bed in the back. Adequate air circulation will be provided via openable windows and skylights, and a cozy atmosphere will be produced by ambient LED lighting. Hyundai is renowned for its diverse powertrain technologies. Conventional engines, typically, there will be strong gasoline or diesel engines that can move over a variety of terrains. Hybrid powertrains, because they optimize fuel efficiency, hybrid options are ideal for lengthy journeys. BEVs, Hyundai might also release an all-electric motorhome with technologies from the Ioniq 5 or Ioniq 7. These will offer a tranquil and environmentally responsible driving experience. With sufficient range for daily commuting, Infotainment System, a large touchscreen will serve as the primary control panel for entertainment, navigation, and other RV functions. This system will integrate Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Connectivity, Wi-Fi and USB-C charging ports will be installed throughout the cabin. Automatic climate control, an advanced climate control system will maintain a comfortable interior temperature when driving and when parked, has a 360-degree camera.